Everyone loves king crab, but almost no one understands the extreme battle behind every single bite. It may look like a luxury seafood dish on your plate, but what if I told you it comes from one of the most dangerous industries in the world? Welcome back to Machine's Visit. Today, we're diving deep into the icy waters of Alaska, where fearless fishermen risk everything to catch one of the ocean's most valuable creatures. Every year, nearly 9.8 million pounds of king crab are harvested in a high-stakes operation where survival is never guaranteed. And here's the twist. This isn't about massive warships or futuristic machines. It's about skill, timing, and raw human endurance. With legs stretching up to 6 feet and some weighing over 26 pounds, king crabs truly live up to their name. But their value isn't just in their size or taste. It's in the danger it takes to catch them. At its peak, the industry recorded a shocking fatality rate of 128 deaths per 100,000 fishermen, making it one of the deadliest jobs on Earth. Towering waves, freezing temperatures, and relentless storms turn every trip into a life-or-death mission. And yet, when winter hits Alaska, these fishermen don't stop. Because this is the moment king crabs rise from the depths, moving into shallower waters to feed and prepare for spawning. It's a narrow window, and missing it means losing everything. Before heading out, crews prepare massive traps weighing over 600 pounds, loading them with bait like herring or cod. Boats are reinforced and hydraulic winches are readied, because once they hit the open ocean, there's no turning back. When they reach the fishing grounds, the real challenge begins. Crews work together to drop these heavy traps into depths of 600 to 800 feet, each marked by a floating buoy. Then comes a waiting game. Hours, sometimes days, with no guarantee of success. And when they finally return to pull them up, the results can be unpredictable. Sometimes the traps are overflowing with crabs. Other times, completely empty. That's the gamble. But hauling them up is another fight entirely. These traps can weigh over 1,200 pounds, covered in mud and seaweed, dragged up by hydraulic systems while the boat rocks violently beneath the crew's feet. And then comes the chaos. The crabs spill onto the deck, huge, aggressive, and dangerous. Their powerful claws can cause serious injury if handled incorrectly. Yet the crew has no time to hesitate. They must sort them immediately. Only mature male crabs with shell size of at least 6.5 inches are kept. Everything else, females and smaller crabs, must be released back into the ocean to protect future populations. Every second counts. Because in these conditions, freezing water, slippery decks, and crashing waves, one mistake can be fatal. Crews work 16 to 20 hours straight, pushing their limits with almost no rest. And even after all that, success isn't guaranteed. Some trips bring in massive profits. Others return empty, with nothing but losses. That's the harsh reality of this industry. But when the crabs finally make it back to shore, the journey isn't over. They are rushed to processing plants, where another precise operation begins. Still alive, they are sorted again, ensuring only the highest quality makes it through. Then comes the transformation. Skilled workers carefully separate the most valuable parts, the legs and claws, using sharp tools and precise techniques. One wrong cut, and the product loses its value. In some factories, robotic systems now handle this process, increasing speed and precision. And when you step back and see the full picture, from deadly ocean hunts to high-tech processing, you realize something powerful. King crab isn't just food. It's a story of risk, survival, and relentless effort. So the next time you see it on your plate, remember, behind that luxury lies a journey far more dangerous than you ever imagined, and just when you think the danger ends at sea, the real precision begins on land. Because once the king crabs reach the processing plant, every second becomes critical. Advanced robotic systems take over, guided by sensor-driven software, slicing and separating crab legs with incredible accuracy, processing thousands of pounds every hour. But here's the twist. Even with machines, perfection isn't guaranteed. One wrong cut can destroy the delicate meat and instantly reduce its value. After cleaning, the crab legs move into controlled cooking systems, exposed to precisely regulated heat, around 200 degrees, for just the right amount of time. Too long, and the texture is ruined. Too short, and it's unsafe. There's no room for error. Immediately after cooking, the crabs are plunged into near-freezing water, stopping the process in seconds. Then comes rapid freezing. Submerge in ultra-cold brine at sub-zero temperatures, locking in freshness as if time itself has been paused. But here's something most people never notice: the glazing process. Each crab leg is coated with a thin layer of ice, protecting it from air exposure and preventing moisture loss. It's a small detail, but it determines whether the product stays premium or becomes worthless. Finally, the crab is vacuum sealed, packed, and stored at extreme cold temperatures, preserving it for up to 2 years before it reaches luxury restaurants around the world. And when it arrives, it transforms into something extraordinary. Steamed king crab dipped in butter or paired with fresh ingredients. It becomes more than food. It becomes an experience. But just when you think you've seen the peak of luxury, another product enters the scene: caviar. And its story is even more intense. Known as black gold, caviar comes from sturgeon, ancient fish that have existed for over 200 million years. But here's the shocking part. It can take up to 20 years for a single sturgeon to produce eggs ready for harvesting. That's decades of waiting for one moment. And that moment must be perfect. Farmers use advanced techniques like ultrasound to monitor egg development because timing is everything. Harvest too early, and the eggs lack flavor. Too late, and their texture is ruined. When the time comes, the process begins with extreme care. The fish are placed in controlled environments to minimize stress, because even slight stress can affect the quality of the caviar. Then, using precise and humane methods, the fish is prepared for extraction. Skilled technicians make a careful incision, removing the roe with steady hands. And here's where the real risk lies. One small mistake can rupture the eggs, destroying their value instantly. Each step demands perfection. The eggs are then cleaned, filtered through fine mesh screens, and gently rinsed with cold water, preserving their delicate structure. But here's the twist. There's also a modern method called stripping, where eggs are harvested without killing the fish, allowing it to reproduce again. It's innovation meeting tradition. And when you step back and look at the entire journey, from deadly ocean hunts to delicate caviar extraction, you realize something powerful. These luxury foods aren't just expensive because of taste. They're expensive because of time, risk, precision, and human effort at every stage. So the next time you see king crab or caviar on a plate, remember, behind that elegance lies a journey filled with danger, patience, and perfection that most people will never truly understand. And just when you think the process couldn't get any more delicate, this is where perfection is truly tested. The sturgeon eggs are rinsed under carefully controlled water pressure, strong enough to remove every impurity, yet gentle enough to avoid destroying the fragile structure of each egg. It's a dangerous balance. Too much force, and the eggs rupture instantly. Too little, and contamination remains. Every second is monitored. Every movement is controlled. Once cleaned, the water is drained, revealing something remarkable, perfect, glistening roe ready for the next stage. But here's where things become even more intense. Skilled handlers step in, examining every single egg with trained eyes and steady hands. No machine can replace this moment, because even the smallest imperfection must be removed. One damaged egg can compromise the entire batch, and in a product as valuable, there is no room for mistakes. Then comes one of the most controversial steps, the salting process. Known as the traditional Malasol method, meaning low salt, it uses just enough salt, around 3 to 5%, to preserve the caviar while enhancing its natural flavor. But here's the twist: too much salt destroys the taste. Too little, and the product spoils. It's a precise balance between science and instinct. After salting, the caviar moves to its final stage, packaging. Each tin is filled with exact precision, weighed down to the smallest gram. Because in this world, even a tiny miscalculation can mean thousands of dollars lost. Every container is sealed, labeled, and prepared for distribution, carrying with it not just food, but luxury. And just when you think the story ends here, there's an even deeper layer most people never consider. Producing caviar doesn't start in factories. It begins years, even decades earlier. Sturgeon require pristine, oxygen-rich water, free from pollutants, with carefully controlled temperatures. Their environment must be perfect. Their diet must be precise, rich in proteins, vitamins, and nutrients that directly impact egg quality. Farmers must maintain this balance for up to 20 years before a single harvest is possible. That's decades of effort for one moment of extraction. And if anything goes wrong, it's all lost. And when you step back and see the entire journey, from ancient fish raised in controlled environments to delicate extraction and precision packaging, you realize something powerful. Caviar isn't just expensive because of its taste. It's expensive because of time, risk, patience, and absolute perfection at every step. So the next time you see those tiny black pearls on a plate, remember, behind that elegance lies a story of decades, precision, and unseen effort that most people will never truly understand. And if this journey changed the way you see it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay with us, because there's always more happening behind the scenes than you think.